Hello guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. On this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make this threading boo fitting gown with net at the upper part, and you're going to be putting press button at the upper part of the back and the front. The gown length is 38, the back half length is 14, the bust is 42, the waist is 37, the back is 15, the band is 15/12, while the sleeve length is 10. So now the ankara that I'm going to be using is 3 yards. So let's go for the cutting. So this is the fabric that I'm using for the tutorial, and this is the net I'm using for the upper part. This is ankara, 3 yards of ankara that I'm using for the pleating. They always use 4, but I'm using 3 yards for this style. You can use 4 yards. It determines how you want the pleating to be. So I slit the ankara into 2. I folded into 2 and slit it at the center for the front and the back. So I first of all fold the back. The half length of my back is 14. So you fold by the bust measurement. You're not going to be adding zip at the back. So our bust measurement is 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10.5. I'm not going to be adding sewing allowance to it. 10.5. Half length is 14. I'm going to be adding extra 1 inch, making 15. Shoulder measurement is 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus half inch is 8 inches, but I'm using 7.5. So the neck wideness is 3 inches, 3 by 2. I'm going to be using bias to turn the neck. I'm going to come down by 1 inches for shoulder slope. So the band is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. I'm going to be adding extra 1.5 inches, making 9. The bust measurement is 42, 10.5. You are not going to be adding sewing allowance to it. The waist is 37. I'll approximate it to 38, making 9.5. So now for the half length of the front, this is the net. I folded it into 2. What I'm going to be doing, I'll first of all measure the back measurement, which is 7.5. I didn't add any sewing allowance to it because this net is stretching. 7.5. So 3 inches for wideness. 3.5 for the deepness. 3.5 for the deepness. Shoulder slope is 1 inches. Shoulder slope is 1 inches. So from here, I will first of all determine the armhole depth, which is 9 inches. I'm going to curve it. So from here, I will take the net length for the front, which is 8 inches. I'm using 8 inches. I'm going to be adding extra 1 inch, 9 inches now for the length. Why I'm using 9 inches is the normal length is 8 inches. half inches to join the shoulder, half inches to join the length to the ankara. So from here, why I measure the armhole curve, I want, because if you cut it straight, it will be too straight. I want the curve of the armhole to be showing at the length of this dress here. So this is 9 inches that I'm so I'm done cutting now. I'll keep it aside. The ankara for the front, this is 1.5 yard now. I'm going to fold it into 4 and cut out the length that is remaining for the front. So 8 minus 38, 30, 30 inches. This is 30 inches from here. I'm going to be adding extra 2 inches, half inches to join the ankara to the neck, and 1.5 inches to bend the down part, which is 32 inches. This one is for the front. So for the back length, for the back length, 14 inches minus 38, 24. 24 inches. I'm also going to be adding extra 2 inches allowance, which is 26 inches. So for the sleeve is like a line, and the length of my sleeve is 10 inches. Length of my sleeve is 10 inches. I'm still going to do the cover button before attaching it to the dress. So for the sleeve, I use the normal length is 10, but I'm using 13 with the edge of ankara now. By wideness, this is folded into 2, while the other one too is folded into 2. By wideness is 14 inches. From here, I'm going to come down by 2 inches. 2 inches. I'm going to cut the curve it. I will now determine tailor. I want to measure from this place to this 12 inches. From here, I will just come outside. It's an A-line sleeve. Sorry, I did not make mention of the wideness. Okay, it's 14 inches folded into 2, which is 28 folded into 2 by 13 by length. So this is the sleeve. I'm going to cut belt at the back. I'm going to be attaching a belt at the back. I'll first of all cut a long strap for it. So tie from the back to the front. So this is like 6 inches. This is like 6 inches. So it determines how big the person is. 6 by 25 for the rope at the under bust, at the under waist. So this is the rope. I'm going to take this to do the cover button. So for the pleating, I'm going to join the two shoulder together. Before joining it, I will take the one for the back, which is this. I'm going to pleat it here, and I will also take this for the front pleating. I'm going to pleat it here. So after pleating, before you start pleating it, you are going to, for the ankara, you will leave like 2 inches because of the armhole curve. You leave like 2 inches before pleating it. So after pleating, you will now join the two shoulder. I will now use my bias to turn the neck. So for the neck, I've pleated the front ankara to the neck for the front. So you have to leave 2 inches before pleating it and 2 inches after for the armhole curve. And for the back too, I've pleated the ankara to the neck also. I've joined the two shoulder and I pipe the neck with bias. So what I'm going to do next is just to position the two together this way. I'll position the two shoulder together. I'm going to cut out the main armhole curve at the down part. So you are also going to do that for the other side. So I'm going to attach the sleeve. This is the row at the waist, at the back waist. This is the row for the back waist that they are tying to the front. I'm going to show you guys on how to attach that to the dress. This is button. I'm going to be attaching to the front and back. I need five for the front and 10 for the back. So let me go and attach the sleeve and show you guys on how to attach this to the back. So I've joined the two side and I've attached the sleeve together together. So what you are going to do next, the back, this half length, you are going to be attaching the rope at this waist point. This rope will be attaching so that you can be able to tie it to the front. So after doing that, you just launch, you use chalk to mark the center of your dress and attach your button. I'm attaching 5 at the front and I'm attaching 10 at the back. I'm going to finish up sewing my dress. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.